Sweet potatoes are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients support overall health and play a vital role in metabolic processes. One medium-sized sweet potato contains a significant portion of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, crucial for immune function and vision. The high fiber content of sweet potatoes promotes satiety, aiding in appetite control. Fiber slows down digestion, leading to a prolonged feeling of fullness and reduced calorie intake. This prolonged satiety can prevent overeating and support weight management by naturally decreasing food consumption. Sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index, resulting in a slower, more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. The gradual blood sugar increase helps prevent insulin spikes, which can contribute to fat storage. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes can help manage cravings and support consistent energy levels throughout the day.